Should we turn on the lights?
Sure.
I'm going to pass out these cards. Could you pass them around while I write up the agenda for today? It's a pretty simple one.
It just got dark in the room.
Who knows what we're studying today?
I think it's origami.
Origami, exactly, okay? We're going to do 3 specific things with origami today. First, we're going to know a little bit about origami. Then we're going to do a little origami. And then at the end, hopefully we're all going to like origami. So to give you a little bit of background on what origami is a form of Japanese art that was developed in the 17th century AD. It comes from the word ori, which means folding, and the word kami, which means paper. So it's folding paper. That's why everyone has these nice note cards, because we're going to be creating one of these little frogs. Origami. Okay? So kind of get into little groups. It doesn't have to be anything formal, and feel free to talk throughout this whole process. Because we have a short amount of time, I'm going to be going pretty quick, so please do talk, and please do help each other. And I will also pass around these little frogs, and you can use them to help guide you if any of my instructions are unclear. But before we get to that, I should also mention why we're studying origami. Origami, like all arts, can be very helpful for lots of different things. It can help boost creativity, hand-eye coordination, and even some more complicated things like math and geometry. So, to actually create this frog, you take it and fold a triangle at the top, like so. And like I said, this should be interactive, so feel free to help your neighbor or ask questions if you have any. And then do the same thing on the other side. So take this corner and fold down. The next step is probably the most hard, so you should have 2 folded corners, right? Now the next step, you're going to have to push in from the middle and down.
Wait, do that again?
Yeah. So push in and down. You're pushing in on the triangles, it comes down like this. Then you should have something that looks like a house from one end and a triangle and maybe a rectangle from the other side. You fold these 2 flaps up. Like I said, we're trying to move quickly, so help your neighbors if you have any problems. Look at the frog. I'm going to go quickly, and then I'll come around and help people that have questions. So once you have this, you fold up. Fold up. And these are going to make the legs of the frog. Then, it's going to make the front legs. Then we're going to make the back legs of the frog by folding inside again on these flaps and folding inside again over here. And now I should have a taller house, essentially.
The same ball.
And now you're going to fold up and down. And that created the back legs. So we went from a long, tall house, folded the legs up kind of arbitrarily somewhere, and folded them back down. And now for the legs, the front legs, fold down and up. There's no problem if you didn't quite get it all. Your friends will be able to help you, but we're really stuck at the last part of liking origami. I hope everyone likes origami individually right now, but we want your friends to like origami, so share these with your friends.